have this task list to do, and some have been completed and some have been left incomplete. But this doesn't give me any outlook. I have to go to each cell to know which is to be completed and which is yet to be not to be completed. See, drafting question task has been completed, making advertisement has been completed, final phone calls making have been completed. But what if I have a dashboard like this? Yes, I don't have to go inside the channel 1, 2, 3 column. I just need to see the task column and I will know what task yet to be completed by me. So this is called to-do list dashboard. Let's see how to make it. Yes guys, I'm Akanksha. Welcome to my channel We Do Excel, and here is my new video again. So this is my task list. I want to make it in a presentable form. So just when I see it, I know which things need my focus, right? So I will go here and select my task list, and I will go more further because what if I want to add more tasks into it, right? So I will select that column. I'll go to conditional formatting and new rule. Okay, here I'll go to classic and use a formula to determine which cells to format. Okay, I will be using a Countif function. So if you are not aware with the Countif function, I will put a link description where you can learn how to do Countif. Is equal to Countif. I will take my range B2 to D2. Why I'm not selecting? Because if I select the reference, it will give a dollar sign and I don't want any dollar sign. I will put comma and I will put my criteria as no. Okay, I will close and I want it greater than 0. So it will count the no in each row. So even if there is one no, it will highlight that task. I am happy with this formatting, that background color is peach and text color is red. So I will keep it like that. You can change from custom format and select other options also. I'll do OK, and here is it. So you can see these three tasks, they are yes, 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 doesn't need my attention, and this task doesn't need my attention. Only this task, because this have no, this have no, this have no, and also this have no. What if I say this also had no? So it will get highlighted. And what if I say I have completed this task? It will remove the highlighting, right? What if I want to add one more task? Let's say call to my writer. I said yes, I did for channel 1, I did for channel 2, but I have not done for channel 3. It will highlight. What if I have done it now on second day? It will not highlight it. So this way you can make an awesome to-do list dashboard, and you will be more productive in your work with the help of this dashboard. So guys, you know the drill. Love, like, support, share the channel to motivate me to do more work. Thank you. Take care. Have a nice day.